Hey everyone, how's it going? This is DJ here with 5-Star Dealerships. Hey, we got 8.5 inches of rain in 2 days, and it's that time of year. Our service department, sales department has been seeing it a lot. You guys have these Ford F-150s with the dual panoramic roof, and I'm gonna go over some preventative maintenance that can stop that infamous leak from happening, because that is worst case scenario. It's a huge burden to the customers. It's not covered under factory warranty because you have to do these preventative maintenance steps. So I'm gonna go over some house cleaning on what you can do on your F-150 to make sure you don't have those problems. All right, so the first big culprit that you guys are gonna run into is this third brake light back here. Okay, because you got a seal and a gasket that go around the outside and the inside. So what you're gonna do is obviously you just wanna make sure it's cleared of all debris, and you're gonna kind of give it a nice little push and make sure it's sitting flush. Now obviously if you get a little play, you're gonna wanna tighten that down, make sure that gasket and seal are sitting tight. If you wanna go the extra mile, you got 4 screws here. You can go ahead and just unscrew those, pop that off, and get some like silicone sealant, and go ahead and do the inside and then the outside, and that's going to prevent that leak that a lot of you guys are finding under your back seat there. So, all right, so the second big culprit that not a lot of people know that they have to do is on your dual panoramic sunroof. You have actually 2 drain holes on each side with drains that run down your A-pillar and will actually come out under your front tire. So that's like any drain pipe. You got to make sure that that's clear of debris, and where we live with lots of trees and pollen in the air, it'll actually build up over time and clog that drain, and then all the water is going to run back in or get clogged in that A-pillar and then fall down into the front section of your vehicle. So the easiest way to do that is grab some flexible wire like weed eater wire, and you can run that down those tubes, or also get like a compressed air canister, or if you have one in your garage, and make sure you'll see 2 holes. We'll make sure to put a picture in this video for you, and you can just run that wire, that compressed air, down those drain tubes, unclog those, and that should help with that problem as well. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I hope this helps you guys out a ton. Not a lot of people know about the preventative maintenance on the leaking of the F-150s. So go ahead and make sure that you're taking care of your vehicles. If you have any questions, feel free to come see us at 711 East Wishkah Street in Aberdeen, or give us a call at 533-3673. All right, thanks, guys. Take care.